guys, back again with another video where today we're playing race cars and have fun. And can you guys guess, first things first, I'm really sorry I haven't been uploading in a while since I went on vacation overseas. So yeah, really sorry about that. And can you guys guess who this game is made by? It's made by me, yes. So to make it up for you guys, I made a game that you can play free, and the link to the game will be in the description. So it's just a showcase of the game. Let's start. And I'll be adding updates every now and then. So I added an update like yesterday, I think. So there'll be updates every now and then. Let's start. So you start over here with the spawners, and you're basically on a racetrack. And yeah, let's start. Let me open the gate. There. Let's go. Let's choose a Lamborghini. Oh, the sound. Wait. Oh, damn. And this is fast. Wait, let me just turn down the volume. Wait, what? That was really loud. Sorry, guys. Oh, damn. Whoa. So you can play this game for yourself? Yeah. Oh, damn it. Wait. Did a fence literally fall down in front of me? Oh, no. Jokes. So there's a car racetrack, and yeah. And there's one more racetrack. Let me go to it. There is, a motorbike racetrack. Let's start playing. Yep. There. Oh no, I am so bad. Wait, why is this glitching? There. Now does it work? Yep. Oh no. Watch out for the walls. Oh, I made it. Just by So a quick video just to tell you that I haven't been uploading. Sorry, I'll be uploading every now and then, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and yeah guys, see you later. Peace out.